Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Raiden, who's featuring in Mortal Kombat and also Fortnite at the moment. So let's get in at the top, let's draw his headwear. So I'm going to put a little dot just there at the top, okay? Yeah, now I've got that in. What I can do is just draw this cone-shaped headwear. So I'm going to go and do a nice diagonal coming down that way. And then a nice diagonal coming down the other way as well. So coming right down out this way. Either side there, okay? Let's just level that up a bit. Okay, now I've got that in, I'm gonna just do the nice curve that it brings around as well. So I'm gonna just get my pen, draw a nice curve, goes to the edge, back round to the back. It's going to leave a gap where the head is. And here I'm going to come around this way, around there. So you've got that headwear at the top there going on. Okay, just a couple of little sort of dinks just to show it's kind of a little bit 3D, just show a couple of little edging sort of parts of it. Just adds a bit of detail. And then what I'm going to do is do Raiden's head. So coming down from the top, what I'm going to do is just start drawing like the outer part of his head, just come down under this way, just curve it down, goes to neck area. He's wearing headwear, neckwear, so it sort of ripples out a bit where it comes around. And on this side, I would say, when he comes down sort of this way, I'm going to leave a gap where the light comes out of his eye, and then just curve it around there, and his neckwear sort of pops out again there. Now his chin wear, probably about here. So it comes around this way, around to the jaw. And then what I'm gonna do is just draw a little bit here. Again, he's got like a little bit of flashing coming out of his eyes there. So I'm just gonna leave another little gap. So when I color it in, I could do sort of a little bit of blue. And then I'm gonna continue sort of down here and down to the jaw, down to the chin, just dink it around and up like that, okay? There we go. There we are, like that. Okay, let's just pop in, just go up to edge on this side, and then what I'm gonna do is just pop in the nose. So I'm gonna go down to about this point here, just draw a little end of the nose there, sort of curving up, maybe just a little hint of it on the other side there. Then I'm gonna do the bridge of the nose, sort of coming upwards, sort of this way. Then he's got his eyes. Now the eyes are sort of filled with light, so I'm gonna just give a hint of a brow in there, and then on the other side too. And then what I'm gonna do is just sort of draw, sort of curve either side, like a little oval where his eyes are. And then they're sort of quite blank and they're sort of filled, spilling out with light. Maybe there's a couple of little sort of lines coming out this way just to show that. And then I'm just going to draw his little mouth in, so sort of fairly sort of serious stance. So just going to pop in a little mouth just around there, and just a little line just on the edge there. It gives him a bit of authority there. You just lightly pop in cheekbone structure as well around there. All right, cool. Now I've got that in, let's continue outwards with his tunic. So the shoulders and tunic, I guess, drawing a little bit of the sort of neckwear that actually sort of cascades down here from the tunic. So let's just pop a little line in here and a line there, and then we can just square that off. And then from there, let's go on the right, we're gonna draw the tunic. So we're gonna come out to about there. And on this side, it might just dink down a little bit more first, but then we're gonna come outwards to about that point there. Now the tunics are a little bit higher than the rest of his shoulders, so what I'm going to do now is just draw where the edge of it is. So it dinks around here, round underneath his shoulder. And actually let's just pop another little line in there. So let's just pop a little line around there. And then we can just draw a little just chip of area where his arm's going to be coming out from. And on this side, I'm going to come down, I'll probably come down a bit further actually from the edge of his tunic. So I'm going to come downwards this way, edge of the arm, then his tunic sort of comes down here, and I'm going to come around to that point there. What I might do here is just fill this bit in here. The material sort of pops out before his belt. And then it kind of continues along just a nice line and join up here. Now back up to here, I'm going to draw this alternative sort of sleeve area here. So I'm just going to bring my pen up there. And actually what I'll do as I'm going along, let's just colour that bit in, ink it in a little bit. It's quite nice to sort of fill in some of these areas as we're going along. There we go. Nice block in there. Let's just go up to this point here as well, because there's a little bit of design on the tunic. So I'm gonna come down a bit, probably from about here, come down to about there. On the other side, it probably starts around here. Just come downwards that way. Then we're just gonna meet up. So we're gonna come around here, just join those bits up. Now there's a little line either side of that where just draw like a little light rectangle either side, like that. And then just get my other pen out. We'll just kind of fill those bits in too. Now his neckwear is quite dark as well, but I might just pop in a bit of detail in a minute. So I've got this nice kind of black and white inking going on there. Cool, okay, right, let's continue. Let's maybe continue with the tunic down this way. So what I can do is I can just start drawing the belt area. So around here there's just a little point where we've got some material coming down. And now I've got that bit, I'm gonna just swing pen around this way to about there, and then dink in a bit, and that's the belt area. Now over here, like I say, there was a little bit of material coming out. So from this edge, got a piece of material sort of flying down this way, round and up like that. And then there's another bit sort of kicking out from there. So bring your pen down, come out a bit, and then just taper it up like that. Then we've got the main tunic part here. So coming off the corner of here, I'm gonna bring my pen down there. And then from this side here, I'm gonna just come outwards, bring my pen down there, and then I'm just going to join those 2 points up. So just a nice line across there. Now again, we've got sort of material coming down this way, so we're just going to band it, line there, a line coming sort of tapering in down that way, and then we can just fill that in there. And now I've got those bits. What I might do is just fill these bits of material here, just block those bits in with the black pen. Cool, okay. On this side, let's do the same thing. Just gonna block in nice chunky bit of marker pen. Just start coming all together now. Now the belt itself is also quite black, but again, I might just go in and detail it. So we've got this nice black and white look, and then a bit of sort of maybe hatching in there later on. So got that bit in. There's a bit of material that goes around the edge here. So it comes around here like the end of a tunic. Just do a thick line there. Kind of comes up there, I think, and then down. So just gonna do a little diagonal line there where it comes out. Okay, now we can work out the legs. So we've got like quite wide bits of material going into little boots and shoes. So what I'm gonna do is, on this side here, come in from the tunic area, I'm gonna bring my pen down, and then it ripples down. This is the wider part by the knee. Comes out again here and taper up there. Now let's just continue on this leg now. So this point here, we're gonna do the shin. So just sort of bring it out a bit and taper it in at the bottom there, and then cut out to the bottom. On this side, I'm gonna bring my pen out where the calf muscle is, and then curve it right in there where it goes to the ankle. Now he has a shoe on, the shoe's facing this way. So I'm gonna first of all just draw a little curve, caps it off there. Then I'm gonna draw the heel of a shoe, so it kind of comes around here and down here. The front where the tongue is comes around there to the front of his shoe around here. It curves around this way, goes to the back, and then hits up with that heel area again. Now, those bits are quite sort of chunky soled, so what I'm going to do is just thicken the line area down the bottom there, and that's one leg done. Let's do the next one. So first of all, the leg's probably coming down to about here with this larger piece of material. If I come in from this point here, just bring my pen in and out and widen it just down there, comes out around here and then up to the middle of the leg, up this way, sorry, to the hip area there. Then we've got the shin, it probably comes down to about here. So from about that point, widen the pen then, taper it in, down to about there. Go back up here, come into about this point, widen it out where the calf muscle is, and bring it in there to the ankle there. Now this foot is sort of popping over this way, so we've got a tongue area here first of all, just cut there. We'll cut in and just draw a little curve to the ankle there. And then what I can do is just bring my pen down and around and out to the toe area, and then just around to that heel, to that tongue, sorry. Again, we'll just sort of colour those bits in there. Then we've got the leg areas done, okay? Right, let's look at the arms. Let's go and do this arm here, just coming down this way. So first of all, we've got bigger pieces of material on the upper arms and shoulders. So the shoulder is coming out of this tunic, a little bit lower than the tunic. Bring your pen out, curve it out and around and into the tunic area there. And then we've got the upper arm, that sort of tapers into the wrist area. So I'm gonna bring it in here, curve it around, and then come out, sort of taper outwards to about there. And then as we come down to the hand, I've got the thumb coming out and then the fingers here. So it's gonna come in, the palm is sort of here, we've got a thumb area there, and then from the wrist we come out, we draw the main finger sort of coming around here, and then we've got another finger and then the other finger sort of coming around that, and then bring your pen up like that and around. Maybe just lengthen that thumb, draw a little nail in there. There we go. What I'm going to do there though, just fill in that area here. Nice block of ink. And then there's a nice band on this area as well, just here. So I'm going to sort of cut in, come in like that. Draw a nice blocked area there. Cool, okay. All right, next up, we've got this arm to do. So the shoulder area comes down from the tunic, probably about here, comes out and down. And the inner part probably comes sort of down this way and around, curves around here, around, and then sort of joins up like there. It's got a curved element here. It probably is on this side too, but it's sort of hidden away on that side. So I'm going to draw a nice curved element here. Just curve your pen around there, and then we'll cap it off. Just draw a little bit in there. Now, let's draw the forearm area. It's going to come down to about this point. I'm going to come out from about here. Bring your pen out then inwards, curve it around, and then going to come up and around and sort of taper out to about that point. Got the hand here, got thumb coming out this way. So from that wrist area, just bring your pen out, nice thumb there. We'll continue down the hand to the finger. We've got one here. We've got another one, I guess, sort of around here. And then the other two are sort of hidden behind the hand there. Bring your pen back up to the hand there, maybe just a hint of the nails in there, okay? Right, just go grab my black pen again. I'm gonna fill in this area at the top. And then what I'm gonna do is just do a nice little band sort of around here, sort of coming along, just like that really. Line it in there. And then this area here, I'm gonna color that in. Just around like that, okay? So we've got some nice inking going on here. Right, that's the main outline done. What I'm going to do is just a little bit of detail. I see there's a bit of texture on the hat area, so I'm just going to do a few little marks diagonally this way. Just a couple of lines like that. And then we'll go back and we'll do a couple more just to give an idea of like a wicker sort of texture. Now let's go into the middle bit in here and let's do a few more, just a little bit denser maybe, so it just looks a bit darker. Like two lines all round. Around there, just a bit smaller, so we've got it looking just that little bit darker. And maybe just at the edge there, we've got a little bit going on with a darker sort of chin area. I might just fill that in there as it goes around there to the light, just fill it in. And then we've got this tunic area. I'm gonna, just by the neck, I'm gonna just put some hatching in around here, sort of draw some material elements coming in. So it just looks a bit darker, but it's not as thick as the inked area that we've got. Okay, as we go up into some of these areas here, there's a little bit of detail, just a little bit of the tunic area sort of coming out. Maybe just here as well, there's just a hint of the hatching going on as well. So just a few little lines there. We can just make it look a little bit colored in. All right, on the belt, same sort of thing. I'm gonna just put some little lines in like that, just to show it's not exactly light material. Maybe just go around that area there and then just sort of draw in some of these lines around here. That's it. So we've got like a light coming over, but it's not quite as thick as the main blocking lines. Yeah, that's pretty good. Just under here, maybe I'll just put a little bit of hatching sort of coming down to a bit of a shadow down there as well. And then maybe just a little bit on the legs, just coming down either side where the shading would be there. Also just a couple of little squiggles around where we've got the shading and the shadow and the crease material. And then as we go to these points of the shins, the sort of wrapped bands going around them. So I'm just going to show that by just going around the legs with just some nice loose little lineage going around this side as well. Just get your pen and just a few little diagonal lines. You don't have to go all the way to the end. See how it makes a big difference to the texture of our picture. Maybe on the tunic, just a couple of hints of the material sort of being a little bit tighter as it goes to the bottom here. You know, that looks good. And then with the shoes, maybe just on the tongue area, just a few little wiggles, just sort of maybe come round, just a couple of little squiggles there, just to give it a bit of interest. Then maybe on the legs, just come down on their sides a little bit, just to kind of show maybe the light sort of bouncing off this side. Just a little bit of extra detail, makes it quite fun. All right, and I think I'm quite happy with that. There we go, there's Raiden from Mortal Kombat, also featuring Fortnite at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments, let me know who else to draw, and we'll see you again very soon. Okay, bye for now.